Hey guys, it's your boy ready for some F2P action, and today we are doing some Galactus GBR. As you guys can see, today is Galactus GBR day, but I have already recorded the run, so I will be showing you, and we will be doing Galactus GBR with by using my Psylocke, and my Psylocke is built pretty well. And max skill cooldown, max ignore defense, we are almost 11% over critical damage, so I would like to fix that later when I switch that obelisk, because I will need at least a CTP of energy, or if not a CTP of energy, then I would be replacing it with a mind damage 200 proc if I could. That would definitely be amazing. And then we have max critical damage and 115 attack speed and 55% crit rate. So 55% is the only crit rate that you need, because she gives 20% crit rate and 20% all speed to herself using her third skill. So you don't need anything over 55%. 55% crit rate is what you need, and 110 attack speed, which is pretty easy to get as well. So she looks pretty good. She has 3 Odin's Blessing Urus and a really good Uru setup. I did that when the free Uru unequip was there and I forgot to take them out, so I'm just using them since that day. She's doing pretty good. All skills are level 6. And then we have type enhancement, doesn't matter in GBR. She has the stage 6 ISO 8 set overdrive, which can definitely be improved, because it is only giving us 20% all attack buff. So we are missing out 20% more all attack from stage 12 power of Angry Helga, stage 12 ISO 8 bonus. So definitely keep in mind. And then we have a critical damage, mind damage 160 proc. Sorry, I will be replacing it with a better obelisk once I find it. And the uniform is mythic, and we have 4 uni options, and I haven't even checked it out what the uniform option or I should change or something, but this is the best I could give her. And let's go. Let me show you. I have recorded the run from GBR, so just enjoy. So here we are for Galactus, and we're using Wanda lead, Psylocke and Coulson. And you can see we have my friend helping me out. And hopefully we can clear this under 6 minutes. I think that would be great. And we are doing okay. Sivana is doing majority amount of damage. We are pretty close, me and my friend. Let's see some of that Wanda damage. And then one of my friend, I think, disconnected. But we still have the time. I think we have the damage now. Okay, we are getting so close right now in terms of damage, so that's a pretty good run. I think my friend Sivana has a CTP of energy on table like everyone else. But the main thing is we won't be able to collect them all, because one of our friend has been disconnected. Okay, I'll have to go into the bubble. I'm gonna die. Charge it. switch because I'm gonna die with these. We missed the proc there, but it's okay. And I think we got the proc now, so that we can get some juicy damage out of it. Let's switch. And we are doing just I think 10% more damage than my friend. And let's switch here. We are 52, he is 47, so we are pretty close. And he's doing the purple thing, so you have to go as close to Galactus as possible when he's doing something like that. Let's switch to Psylocke and keep doing the things that I'm doing right now. And the mind resistance downs or the buffs that are applied to all world boss are not applied to Galactus or Master Mode GBR. That is why our damage is a little bit lacking right now. So it could be much better. Guard broken again. We are doing pretty good. Of course, my friend is helping me, but we are definitely doing pretty close. That is a beautiful run. And we missed the drop there. We're so damn close. And I hit him because I was the chosen one. We have 7 bars now remaining, and we are doing it. So we have 5 bars remaining now. And let's move from here because I'm gonna die. So his cable is dead, so definitely we are gonna do the majority amount of damage. But I'm sure if his cable was alive, he would have given me a lot more stronger fight, and we would be battling for the first position. And now I think we have it. Great. So not the fastest, but definitely a really good run, thanks to my friend. And if you have a CTP of energy or a 200 proc on your Psylocke, that would definitely bump up your scores and definitely bump up the time as well. She, I think, could clear in about 5 minutes max. If you have a 200 proc, that would definitely help, but this time I only had a 160 proc on my Psylocke. That is why it took a little bit longer than expected, but definitely she can carry. As you just saw, she can hold her own. If you can use any of the 45% energy attack leadership like I used for Wanda, but I would suggest that don't use your Wanda with Psylocke if you don't have many characters, because Wanda can clear GBR Galactus solo as well, but she definitely will take some time and will take some build as well. And my Psylocke is built pretty good, as well as if I improve this obelisk, I will be improving in future, then I will definitely be doing something extra, something more devastating, because her damage is insane, especially uh, oh yeah, yeah bro. So that was amazing and it was fun. So let me know what you think about the video. Let me know what you think about the run. And Psylocke can do it as well. It is just not about the OP tunes like Sharon Rogers tier 3 or Luna Snow tier 3. Psylocke can definitely own her. I mean, hold her own, and she's just tier 2, and all of the gears are not even 25. The second and last gear is still 20, so I will be improving that as well. And as always, if you like the content, I hope to see you again. Take care. See ya.